Hello there, I'm Natalie, and Hair and I, well, let's just say we're like two family members who pretend to love each other, but we don't. Raise your hand if you got hair issues. In this case, give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna show you my go-to hair hacks and hairstyles that will save you time and make your life so much easier. Hold up, I'm doing a huge giveaway where I'm giving one lucky subscriber a Canon camera. Woo! To enter, just subscribe to become a part of the family, and that's it. It's that simple. I challenge you guys to get this video to 400,000 thumbs up. You guys have been beating every single challenge, so I dare you to turn this to this by clicking below and hitting that thumbs up. Have you done it? Don't be lazy. Come on, smash that thumbs up. I want to give a huge shout out to Natalies for watching my videos. Thank you so much. So if you want a shout out in my next video, just comment below #notification_squad and I will be choosing one of you in the first 30 minutes that every video goes live. So make sure you're here early. Add me on Instagram because I'm currently doing a huge giveaway where I'm giving my favorite camera, makeup, Polaroid, stationery, basically Natalie's essentials to you. Let's get on into the video. If putting your hair up in a ponytail makes it look shorter than you'd like, no worries, here's a quick hair hack. Use this weird hair device to help you out. With your hair still up in a ponytail, put this device through each side as if you're brushing your hair with it, and then clip it in place. Now you can take your ponytail off, and this will make your hair look significantly longer and still be up in a ponytail. This is one of my personal favorite tricks to make my hair look longer. If you've been using a regular ponytail to put your hair up, you'll notice after a few hours, no matter what, when you take it off, your hair will have this annoying hair dent in it. Which means if you want to wear your hair down again, you'll have to re-straighten it to remove the dent. Instead of wasting your time redoing your hair, buy yourself these types of scrunchies. They're elastics that have a special material that grips the hair nicely enough so that it doesn't fall, but also if you decide you want to wear your hair back down, it won't leave it with an annoying hair dent. And the best part is it slides right off, causing no breakage or split ends to your beautiful hair. Alright, time for the gym, let's go. This is the 7th time I've had to redo this ponytail. If your ponytail continues to slide off while you're working out, replace it for these no slip grip elastics. They're stretchy enough to be comfortable, they take a little bit more effort to slide off your hair, but for occasions when you need your hair to stay in place all day, you can always rely on these. French braids are the worst and so difficult to follow even if you're watching tutorials on them. I pretty much always give up because my arms get tired and the amount of strands always confuse me. But fear not, I came across this hair hack tool that will help you hack any braid style, and it's kind of cute. It looks like a crown. All you're going to do is place it on your head, and then taking a strand at a time, you're going to weave it through. It has a grip that helps it stay in place and start you off. From there on out, all you need to do is grab a piece from the left side, then grab a piece from the right side and braid it like you normally would too. When you're done, you just pop it off and then pull the braid back so that the front has a little bit of volume but not too much, and bam, you're all done. If you need to go out to the gym and you just need cash to carry but you don't want to carry a purse, and unfortunately so many girl pants don't have pockets. Anyways, all you need to do is rely on a pocket ponytail. A what? A ponytail that has a pocket. Yep. They come in several different colors, they're comfy, and they have a secret compartment to put cash in. Instead of the hassle of taking a large purse to the gym, simply store your cash in there. No one will ever expect it, and it'll surely stay safe by your side. If your hair is not styling itself, it's flat, greasy looking, and just plain old plain, and you're pretty much having the worst day, you have no dry shampoo, yikes. The simplest thing you could do is to style it up, well, with a hat. There are so many styles and feels of hats that you can wear to change up your entire look. And of course, this won't be an option if you're in school and have a strict dress code, but definitely play around with different styles of hats and even change it up by creating pigtails, braids, or simple hairstyles to go along with it. But no worries, I'm gonna also show you my favorite quick and simple hairstyles for back to school or your everyday life. Messy buns are my favorite, but remember they're meant to be messy, so don't take more than 2 minutes to create one. Take some pieces in the front to frame your face nicely, and if that's a little bland for you, use a headband and wrap it around that bun to give it a nice decorative touch. Or option 2 is to spice up the entire do with a colorful headband. Alright, braid time. So it's this strand first, and then this one? Okay, I think it's like this. Ugh, this doesn't look right. I'm going to teach you a 1-minute braid hack. Instead of dealing with so many sections and remembering the order, just take 2 sections. Then you're just going to twist, twist, twist tightly until you secure it all the way at the bottom. The braid will naturally untwist itself a bit, causing a very unique and beautiful twisted braid. Simple and effective. If simple ponytails or pigtails are so kindergarten to you, why be bored with your hair? Instead, take some colorful elastics and decorate your hair. Hair is supposed to be lively and you should have fun with it. Every time I do this hairstyle, I feel like I'm giving my life a happy filter for the rest of the day. To make this look even better, make sure you don't leave it like this and instead take the sides and stretch them out. That way your hair will look fuller even when it's not. boring high ponytail. Spice up this hair look by adding a nice thin braid to it. It will add more texture, fun, and flavor to your entire look. Make sure you also pull on the side so your braid can be thicker and look more noticeable. I love the small hair tweak because it gives the overall look an indie feel and some fun vibes. If your braid is looking a little flat, like so, it's okay, don't worry about it. All you have to do is take the sides, stretch them out a little bit, and this will give your braid more fullness, making it look a lot thicker. This simple braid hair hack is one of my favorites. It takes your boring old braid to a fabulous thick braid. I love it. Hair done in 2 minutes? Well, I could get used to that. I hope you enjoyed today's hair hack video. If you did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also, check out my last video right over here by clicking it, where I show you the best sleeping life hacks that you will ever find. Subscribe right over here by clicking on my face. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Just make sure you have notifications turned on by clicking on this little bell right over here. That way I can see you twice a week. I want to wish you an amazing day. Don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye!